Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. And it's all about the soaking rain that's headed our way for later today and particularly for tonight into Monday morning. And that, I think, is when the worst of it will come. And we're talking about a solid 2 to maybe some areas getting 3 inches of rain from eastern Virginia and eastern West Virginia and northwestern Virginia, northeastward across south central, southeastern Pennsylvania, Maryland, Delaware, all of New Jersey to Long Island, southern New England. Lower amounts as you go a little bit further to the north, talking about maybe an inch to an inch and a half across the middle and upper Hudson Valley and throughout Massachusetts and southeastern New England. But this is going to be definitely a drought denter for the New England area, and everybody else will get enough rain to just take what are somewhat dry conditions and alleviate them. So we're going to be in good shape, but rain-wise, but it's going to come, of course, right now during this holiday weekend. And as we take a look at the satellite loop to this morning, seeing the remnant low of Hurricane Delta moving through the Tennessee Valley, clouds are pushing northeastward. And we also have a bit of a weather front here that is moving through the area, and that is bringing down the next high. It's kind of getting all these little puzzle pieces in the right spot in order to squeeze out the maximum amount of rain out of this. And then we are going to get this system out of the way. And it looks like, as we look at the Canadian satellite loop, just something on the order of the longer term, big rains have been coming into the west, and that's a good thing. Some of that rain actually getting down into Northern California. But the trough that's been in the eastern part of the United States is going to be coming back in a big way later this week. And you can see the mechanics in Canada is starting to take shape here as they just sort of rotate around. We're going to see a strengthening trough in the eastern part of the United States, and that's going to bring some cooler air down, much cooler air uh, next weekend and going into the week of October 19th. So just bear that in mind. We're actually seeing a normal autumn around here with a natural progression of temperatures. We're not seeing any kind of extension of the summer season. All right, let's get back to the remnants of Delta. Those rains now in North Carolina and Virginia as of 7 a.m. this morning. They will be moving northward during the morning and afternoon hours. I think they will reach southern Pennsylvania and southern New Jersey probably around, say, between noon and 2 p.m. They'll get to about New York City sometime between 5 and 7 p.m. And then those rains will spread up the Hudson Valley, southern New England, and the rest of Long Island during the late evening and definitely for the overnight hours. Weak front coming through now. Here's a big high up in Canada north of Lake Huron. You're going to be setting up an onshore flow this morning. And then, of course, you've got this remnant low from Delta in northern Alabama that's lifting slowly up to the northeast. The low itself, the actual low center is not important. It's all the rain that is moving up that is going to hold together, and then you throw in that Atlantic flow and you're going to squeeze out a bit more. So the Weather Prediction Center having a solid 2 to 3 inches of rain being indicated from much of New Jersey to Long Island, and about an inch and a half to 2.5 inches of rain from northwestern Virginia, north and east, right up into southern and southeastern New England, and actually even pushing up into northern New England, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine, doing pretty good out of this rain-wise. This will definitely give them a big break in the drought. So let's take a look at how this plays out as we go through the day. We see the rains. This is at 2 p.m. The rains coming into southern New Jersey, southern Pennsylvania. It's raining fairly steadily down in Virginia, North Carolina. Then by evening to about New York City, Long Island, and then between 8 p.m. and 2 a.m., that rain pushes up further to the north. And here we are, Monday morning, kind of a miserable Columbus Day with rain into the afternoon. Starts to end, though, as you look to the west and to the south as we go through the afternoon and evening. But we also have a cold front that is approaching, and that might squeeze out a few more showers Monday night into Tuesday morning. Finally, after that, weather conditions improve just about everywhere. We should have decent weather Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday on the mild side. Temperatures probably up into the upper 60s and low 70s by day. But then we have a cold front coming at the end of the week with some showers on Friday. And behind that front is some very chilly air. You'll notice some lake effect snows going on next Friday up in the northern parts of the Great Lakes. This is chilly air from Canada, and we'll see it here next Saturday. Even chance that we could see some lake effect snow showers in parts of western New York and western PA, and you never know. Getting close to that time of year as these air masses get cooler and cooler. So we are going to get through our soaking rain here. The tropics are nice and quiet right now, so we don't have that to worry about. Although, don't be shocked if we wind up with a few more named storms before the season is over with. And we'll just wait for the rains to get here. So while it's dry this morning, enjoy the dry time, and then it goes downhill after that. Just I want to remind everybody the Joe and Joe Weather Show today, which usually is at 11 o'clock Eastern Time. We're not going to be able to do it today due to some family obligations that I have, but we'll probably not be back at full strength until Wednesday of this week. So the weather in fives will be there, and the regular posts will be there, but it looks like the Joe and Joe show's not going to be on. For the most part, there's a chance we might be able, no, we can't even do it tomorrow. So because of family obligations, we're out probably through Tuesday. All right, folks, have a great day. More weather posts will be up on my weather platform on Patreon, patreon.com/meteorologist Joe Cioffi. And if you sign up for a year, it's just $2 a month. If you sign up for a year, you get a 15% discount. If you're a current member, you can switch to the annual membership and get a 15% discount. So it's like getting 2 months free. So that's at patreon.com/meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Have a great day, everybody.